Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Mohammad Pranto Ali. I am an English learner. If I don't make video every day, I feel so appetite. That's why every day I would like to make video beside my work. Nowadays, I will share with you in this video what is the main key of speak in English. So let's get started. Actually, you know English is a language. And what is the language? Language means sound, not just English, but also Bangla, and in the world, all language means sound. It's not physics, chemistry, math. You will go every day beside a teacher and a coaching center, and they teach you 1 hour, 2 hours. After that, you will give this result, and this you will give exam and will be able to speak in English. It's not this type of. This is language and sound. If you want to learn, you have to everyday practice. Beside your study, beside your work, beside your all types of habit. If you are a farmer, if you are a student, if you are job holder, if you are a driver, if you are any kinds of, if you are a digital marketer, if you don't practice every day beside your work, it will be impossible for you a fluent English speaker. That's why every day I would like to practice in English beside my work. As a result, day by day I am improving my pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammatical structure. So in my opinion, English English language a sound, and learning it's not easy. You have to every day practice, not 1 week, 1 month later, 1 days. If you practice and after that you forget, you have to every day practice, and you have to maintain consistency. If you keep consistency, one day you will be a fluent English speaker. So every day I would like to, and I am trying to maintain and keep consistency this habit. Inshallah, one day I will be a fluent English speaker. I am not a good English speaker, but I can speak in English without hesitation. That's all about today's video.